again, look. Yeah, look. They are the cutest two koalas. They remind me of Wilbur and Goober when they were like little bubs because they used to house together. Yeah, same thing. And now they're the best of friends. Look at him, he's so cute.
Up your leg.
Where's Teresa? Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Hello, Masaki.
Nom, 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 nom.
They're so cute.
Hey. Hey. What's cracking?
Is that Orpheus? That your?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is too. Hey, get him. I reckon when they get older, they'll be best buddies. Go! Just like full on
Get out of my way.
Teresa,
You're not as.
you got it.
Everyone thinks that he's cute and innocent, but he's not that cute and innocent.
He's sort of
like
evil.
Smashed him on the face, like full on smash.
Orpheus just went up to him and he goes, no, 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 no. And then I pushed him down and jumped over him. He did.
He's gonna get you now. They're really cute, these two. They're cute.
Look at going.
I love
He's gonna get you that. He jumped your boot just then. That was cute. What are you doing?
Morty's really cool.
I bet I could take that boot on. He's jumping like a little fat rabbit. It's so cute, oh my god. What are you doing? That's a fun one. Go on in. You wanna do it? Let's do it. Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Oh! I just made a sound. I didn't hear him.
What did he do?
I did, and he was like,
I'm gonna jump over the tree and he didn't stick. He sink back down.
go on.
Ah! He's like a little puppy. Oh my god.
He was going to take me then.
Wasn't he?
Yeah.
Morton, you're
There's
so
food up there, honey. It was like, yeah, you don't scare me. Oh, and then, oh yeah, you do scare me.
Morton, my god. Look at him how he sits there.
Don't
He's
look
like
at me.
Strider.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's on again.
What are you doing?
Bye-bye. Oh my god,
You're
he's
the
so
cutest
cute.
What are you doing?
Morton, you're amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, he cool. He is cool.
He's so cute.
He is so cool.
Come on, look, there's heaps of food there.
He's just like a puppy. He was just playing with you.
Yeah, I know.
That was awesome. I've never